Most people get website accounting wrong by thinking you need expensive integrations or coding skills, but connecting QuickBooks to Wix is simpler than you think. Today, I'm walking beginners through the process step by step. First, log into your Wix account and go to the app market. Search for QuickBooks and install the app. Wix offers official integration options as well as third-party connectors, so choose the one that suits your needs. The surprising truth is that you can sync invoices, payments, and customer data without touching a single line of code. Once installed, open the app and log into your QuickBooks account. You'll need to grant permissions for Wix to access your data. This allows your store or service site to push order information directly to QuickBooks, saving hours of manual entry. Next, configure your settings. Decide which transactions you want to sync, like invoices, payments, or product sales. You can also map Wix product categories to QuickBooks accounts for accurate bookkeeping. Most beginners get this wrong by skipping category mapping, which can lead to messy financial reports later. Finally, test your connection. Create a sample order on your Wix store and check if it appears correctly in QuickBooks. Once verified, your integration is live, and all future transactions will sync automatically. In conclusion, connecting QuickBooks to Wix is easier than most people expect. It streamlines accounting, reduces errors, and saves valuable time for small business owners or freelancers. Subscribe for more tutorials and beginner-friendly guides to help you manage your website and finances efficiently.